In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove malware and clean a hacked WordPress site quickly and easily. It's a topic that can seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and a straightforward approach, you'll have your site secure in no time. First, let's head over to wordpress.com. Start by logging into your account. If you're new to this, just go to the homepage and click the Login button you'll find at the top right. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your control center, where you can manage every aspect of your site. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a variety of options, but for now, want to focus on plugins. Click on that, and it will open up a page where you can manage existing plugins and add new ones. Now, let's add a plugin that's designed to help with our situation. WordFence Security. Start by clicking Add Plugin at the top of the Plugins page. This will open a new page where you can search for specific plugins. In the search bar, type in WordFence Security. It's a powerful plugin that offers a suite of security features essential for protecting your WordPress site from threats and malware. When you see WordFence Security in the search results, click on it to get more details. You'll find reviews and an overview of its features, which should give you confidence in its capabilities. Once you're ready, click on the Install button. After a few seconds, this button will change to Activate. Click Activate to initialize the plugin. Activating WordFence ensures that it starts protecting your site immediately, conducting a deep scan to identify any potential threats or malware present. Now that WordFence is up and running, it will automatically alert you to any suspicious activity or vulnerabilities. It's important to allow the plugin time to do its initial scan. Depending on the size of your site, this could take a little while, but it's a critical step in ensuring your site is clean and secure. While waiting, you might want to explore the plugin settings to tailor the security options according to your specific needs. By following these steps, you've not only cleaned up your hacked WordPress site, but you've also put measures in place to prevent future attacks. Remember, maintaining site security is an ongoing task, and regularly checking your security plugins alerts will keep your content safe. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.